It will come this way. Yeah, now it's okay. Now drain motor connection, no need actually. I will give later. Now at the moment I have to check only because of that. Now I will give the power connections. Even power connection. Now this position is door lid lock position. You can see again. If I'm doing like that, it is door close. That's mean lid open. Now we are not able to lid open. That's mean door lock position. Now we will check with the power what will happen. Now again I'm selecting here direct spin cycle. Also I'm cancelling ring cycle. It will come 19 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Here friends, it is again, it's happening the same issue. Dear friends, now what I'm going to do actually, if it is as same before, it's showing DC error. Now I'm going to give connection direct. This one no issue. This mechanism, this one manually it will work with the motor already working, I know. And now this is not the problem actually. This one it will I clean already here contact. It is now contacting. I check already with my multimeter. Now what we can do here, this one magnetism field only is not coming. The magnet is not working with the lid. Because of that, what we have to do, we have to connect this 3 wire together, all together, this white and yellow and red. This 3 wire we have to connect. After that we will check if it should work actually. Otherwise here no need to unnecessarily replace the door switch. This is only no any other things. This 2 white and brown and black, it is for the motor connection. You can see here, this is DC motor connection. This one you have to keep like that. Now our problem, this is 6 wires. Now another 4 wires only we have to think about the another 4 wires. That's mean here also magnet sensor. That's mean red and green. Also we have to rejoin. That's mean we have to join white and yellow and red. These 3. After that we can check. Now what I'm going to do, I will connect here and also I will give 1 wire to here. This 2 wire I will connect here. First I will join here. Now it's okay. Now after that I have to join this wire. Yes my dear. After that I have to join this wire here. Yes, it is okay, done. Now we have to close this cover and we will fix to the machine and we will check. Definitely it should work actually, because the magnet sensor not accepting, because of that DC coming. Now I will fix again as same before with the cover, because this mechanism is already working, nothing to worry about that here. Now I am going to close this one. Now I will close this one again. Yes dear. Now I have to fix with the washing machine, and we will check it is whether working or not. It should work definitely. Now we can take it from here to there. Now it's okay dear. Now I can fix this one. This mount, it will come here. That means it should go here. This is now it will come like that. Now I have to fix here 2 screws. Now again I have to fix these 2 screws. Now it's okay my dear. Now I have to give the drain motor. I will give the drain motor connection. Yeah, it's okay. Now we can check with the power. Now I have to give the connection here. Also display PCB. Yeah, it's okay. Now I will give the power connection. Yes dear, I already given power connection. I will start again as same before. I am selecting rings and spin. Also I will cancel the rings cycle because I didn't give the water connection. Because of that I have to check with the direct spin. Now I will start the machine. Yes my dear, my job already is success. Now it's not showing DC error message again, because the problem its mechanism connector is already working with the motor, but magnet sensor is not accepting, it's not giving supply to the main control board. Because of that is showing continuously DC error. Now I have to check with the water. Now I have to fix also as same before. After that my job will be complete. Yes dear friends, now you can see here I selected already, it already came 19 minutes. Now it came it is decreasing up to 14. Now drain pump perfectly working. Also inner drum, that's mean motor, nothing to worry about the motor and everything, it's working perfect. Also RPM you can see increasing. Now you can see dear friends, that is machine is running well. without any error message, not showing error message DC again. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. If you are not still subscribed my channel, I'm requesting kindly subscribe. Also share my channel. If you having any comment, I'm accepting your comment. I have to reply. I will reply to you. Thanks again. We will meet with another video.